tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel an eBay order from the seller's perspective. We're going to start on eBay's homepage and click the drop-down arrow at the top right by the words My eBay. We're going to select the option that says Selling. When you get to this page, in the middle, you're going to click on Sold. This will take you to your sold listings, and this first item here is the one I need to cancel. I started by checking the drop-down arrow, but the option I needed isn't there. So I'm going to click on View Order Details. I'm going to scroll down this page, and if you want to hear the backstory of why I had to cancel this item, I'll link the video in the cards above. But we're going to go to the center of this page here and click on Cancel This Order. eBay is then going to ask you the reason why you're canceling. It gives you three options here: out of stock or damage, buyer asked to cancel, issue with buyer's address. I'm going to choose the buyer asked to cancel option. There was an issue with their address, but ultimately they did ask me to cancel. I described that in the video. I'll link in the cards above. If you're canceling orders all the time because you have things damaged or out of stock, eBay is going to put a red flag on you. So you don't want to be in the habit of canceling, but in this case, the buyer asked me to cancel. eBay is then going to ask me if I want to relist this item. I'm going to click yes, so they'll automatically relist it once the cancellation goes through. I'll then scroll down and you can see what's going to be refunded to the buyer. You can see in this calculation that eBay is going to credit me the final value fee back. That's the negative $2.51. So I don't have to worry about refunding that to the buyer. I will get that credit back from eBay, but I do have to worry about refunding shipping to the buyer. In my case, I printed the shipping label before I needed to cancel this order. The buyer reached out to me and asked me to change the address, and I explained that more in the video about why I had to cancel. But I was going to be out that $3.82 unless I voided that shipping label I purchased and got a refund that way. And I have another video about how to do that. So if you are canceling and you already paid for shipping, go check that video out so you can get that money back. So that is the refund amount that I owe. I'm going to submit and relist for free. That takes me to this confirmation page. It says the cancellation is pending. You initiated a refund on March 10th, 2022. Once it's complete, we'll process the listing to you and send you an email. Now, this could take a couple of days. Luckily for me, I got the email the same day, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like right now. Here's the email. It said, you've refunded $13.31 to the buyer for canceling this order. We've notified them, so you're all set. We'll credit the variable portion of the final value fees to you. All items you wanted to relist were listed successfully. For more information, go to the cancel details page. So I'm going to click this blue button here to check out those cancellation details. You can see the status changed from pending to cancellation is complete. So that is how you cancel an order. Luckily for me, it all went through the same day. You might be waiting a couple days for your cancellation to be complete. If this video is helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to have you join my channel. We talk about ways you can make money with the skills and tools you already have. I go over a lot of how-to eBay tutorials like this. So if this is interesting to you, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I will catch you in my next video.